I want to help you achieve your skincare goals and still keep it simple. 1, 2, 3, and it all starts with alpha beta. This is a simple 3-step routine. You cleanse, you peel, and you hydrate. And it's clinically proven to clear your complexion, smooth your texture, and boost your radiance. Your first step is always cleansing. This cleanser deeply cleans your skin to remove excess oil, dirt, and makeup. This is a gel to foam cleanser that gives a luxurious lather and it leaves your skin soft and supple, but never ever overstripped. The second step is the Alpha Beta Daily Peel. This peel is a game changer and it's the reason I started this brand. It is clinically proven to refine your pores, treat lines and wrinkles, clear blemishes, and deliver immediate radiance. Now comes step 3, where you hydrate your skin with my new daily moisturizer. It strengthens and replenishes your skin's moisture barrier with squalene and ceramides. It's oil-free and leaves your skin with a beautiful dewy finish. So now you may be thinking, can I really use 3 products with alpha and beta hydroxy acids? The answer is yes, and here's the proof. All 3 products contain a unique blend, a unique mixture of alpha and beta hydroxy acids, not just one single acid. That's the key. That's how this product is so effective and yet never throws your skin off balance. Never any redness, dryness, or flaking. It's 3 simple steps to achieve your best skin. And remember, consistency is the key. You cleanse, you peel, and you hydrate every day.